Alexa, where is my second brain?
From maastrichtuniversity.nl. There are millions of nerve cells in our intestines, which are often referred to as our second brain.
Alexa, what kind of cognitive problems can ultra-processed foods create?
From alls.org. The study found that people who consume the highest amount of ultra-processed foods have a 28% faster decline in cognitive scores, including memory, verbal fluency, and the ability to plan and execute goals, compared to those with a lower consumption of ultra-processed foods.
Alexa, what kind of cognitive decline has been linked to ultra-processed foods?
From nih.gov. Of the 4 included studies, 3 showed a significant association between ultra-processed foods consumption and the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease.
Alexa, do more than half the calories Americans consume come from ultra-processed foods?
From b.y.u, edu. The consumption of ultra-processed foods, UPFs, in America is at an all-time high, with over 50% of daily calories eaten being sourced from UPFs.
Alexa, how much are microplastics involved in the creation of ultra-processed foods?
From webmd.com. Microplastics are largely found in ultra-processed foods, like hot dogs, chips, and cookies, which make up more than half of the diet for U.S. adults, according to the CDC.
Thanks, CDC. Alexa, did Lunchables contain so much saturated fat and sodium that some doctors called it a blood pressure bomb?
From webmd.com. The Lunchables and similar lunch kits we tested contain concerning levels of sodium and harmful chemicals that can lead to serious health problems over time.
Alexa, were hyperpalatable foods designed to hit the bliss point and elicit cravings?
From slashgear.com. It's no secret that many food companies have deliberately engineered their processed food products to be hyperpalatable, meaning they light up the reward centers in the brain, fueling overconsumption and cravings.
Okay, let's see something. Alexa, did the prevalence of hyperpalatable foods rise when Philip Morris and R.J. Reynolds owned the world's leading food companies?
From metafilter.com. In America, the steepest increase in the prevalence of hyperpalatable foods occurred between 1988 and 2001, the era when Philip Morris and R.J.
Alexa, how did Philip Morris and R.J. Reynolds develop hyperpalatable foods?
From kcrw.com. In the 1980s, R.J. Reynolds and Philip Morris bought Kraft and Nabisco, pumping their food with sugar, fat, sodium, and other additives that made people crave them.
Alexa, is there current litigation involving companies that created hyperpalatable foods?
From AmericanBar.org. The litigation is ongoing.
Short and sweet. Yeah, but it's ongoing. Wow.